Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Speak English Flow, your friendly place to learn real, natural English through honest, everyday conversations. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. And if you are new here, welcome. Please sit down, relax. You are safe here.
Nobody will judge your grammar here.
Nobody.
Not even me. And I have heard Mohin's grammar.
Emma.
I'm joking. Mostly.
She says mostly every single episode.
And every episode, it is still true. But what Mohin described just now, catching smoke, I think every English learner has felt that. You know the words, you studied, but in a real conversation, when someone is right there in front of you,
The brain freezes.
the brain freezes, and it is not about vocabulary, it is about phrases, the small connecting phrases that fluent speakers use without thinking.
The glue phrases.
Exactly. And today, we are giving you 10 of them.
So if you have ever understood every word someone said, but had no idea how to respond naturally,
This episode is for you.
or if you have ever felt like your English is correct, but still sounds like a textbook.
Yes, that. We know that feeling. Today, we fix it. This is an A2 to B1 level episode. Do not worry if you do not catch everything the first time.
Just listen. Just follow us. The English will come to you.
And later, our word tour. 3 key words, slow, clear, with examples.
And one easy homework in the comments. One sentence. That's all.
But first,
One small favor. If Speak English Flow is helping you, please subscribe. New episodes regularly.
and share this with one friend learning English. One friend, that is enough.
Are you ready?
Let's go. So Mohin, 10 phrases. Why 10?
Because fluency does not come from knowing 1,000 words.
No?
No, it comes from 10 good phrases you can use in any conversation, and you use them fast, without thinking.
Like a key that opens many doors.
Exactly. One key, many doors.
I want to share a story. A listener wrote to us. Her name's Priya. She's an engineer in Bangalore. Very smart, very good at written English. But in meetings with international colleagues, she always stayed quiet.
Why?
She said, I am always 2 sentences behind the conversation. By the time she prepared her answer, the topic had already changed.
That is painfully accurate.
But then, one day, she made a decision. She chose 10 short phrases. Not grammar, not vocabulary, just phrases. Natural connectors. And she started using them in every meeting.
And did it work?
Her manager told her, Priya, you seem so much more confident lately. Same English, same knowledge, just 10 small phrases.
10 phrases, like 10 small stepping stones across a river.
Exactly. And today, we are giving you those stepping stones. We'll go through 4 of them in the main lesson, then 5 more in our sentence starters. And the 10th one, you'll find hidden in the word tour.
Hidden.
A little surprise.
I like surprises that help my English.
This is that kind of surprise. Phrase number 1. I know what you mean.
I know what you mean. Simple. But why is this phrase so powerful?
Because it does 2 things at the same time. It tells the speaker, I understood you, and it tells them, I have felt this too. It is connection, not just comprehension.
Like reaching across the table.
Exactly. And native speakers say it constantly. Not, I understand, not, yes, correct. They say, I know what you mean.
So instead of saying, yes, I understand, say, I know what you mean.
And you can add more. I know what you mean. I felt the same way last week.
I used this phrase yesterday. My colleague was explaining something frustrating, and instead of saying, yes, yes, I said, I know what you mean, and his whole face relaxed.
That is exactly what it does. It relaxes the room.
Phrase 1, I know what you mean.
Phrase 2. It depends, really.
It depends, really. This one, why do we need this?
Because one of the hardest moments in English conversation is when someone asks you a complicated question and you cannot give a simple yes or no answer.
And I used to say, I'm not sure, maybe.
And that sounds hesitant, but it depends, really. That sounds thoughtful.
Like you have considered the question seriously.
Like a professional, not confused, considered. Add, it depends really, on the situation.
Or, it depends really how you look at it.
Instead of, I don't know, say, it depends really.
It depends really. That sounds like someone who has opinions.
That is painfully accurate. Phrase 3. Come to think of it.
Come to think of it, what does this mean exactly?
It means, I just remembered something, or now that I am thinking about it more, I realize something new.
Like when a memory knocks on the door of your brain, gently.
Exactly. And it sounds very natural, very flowing, like you are thinking out loud with the other person.
Not translated, not prepared, just thinking together.
Come to think of it, I had the same problem last year. Or, come to think of it, I think you are right.
Instead of starting with, actually, wait, I remember something, just say, come to think of it.
One phrase, clean, fluent, natural.
Come to think of it, I will use this today.
That is the homework talking early. Phrase 4. And this one is short, powerful, and very British.
What is it?
Fair enough.
Fair enough. That's it?
That's it. 2 words, but they carry a lot. It means, I do not completely agree, but I understand your reason and I accept it.
Like a soft yes.
Not, you are right. Not, okay, fine, but fair enough. It shows respect, and it moves the conversation forward without conflict.
Instead of saying, okay, I see, I understand, just say, fair enough.
It sounds mature. It sounds calm. It sounds natural.
Fair enough. I said this last week and someone looked at me like, when did Mohin start sounding like this?
And that's exactly what these phrases do. They change how people experience you in a conversation.
Before they even know what you said.
Before our word tour, here are 5 more phrases. These are your sentence starters. 5 ways to begin speaking when your mouth opens, but nothing comes out.
My most common problem.
Number 5, to be honest, when you want to give a real answer, not a polite one. Number 6, funny you should say that, when someone says something that connects to your own experience. Number 7, I was just about to say, when you have the same idea as someone else. Number 8, actually, I was thinking, when you want to add your own opinion gently. And number 9, now that you mention it, when something reminds you of something else.
Try number 6. Tell me about your weekend.
Funny you should say that. I was just thinking about the weekend.
Perfect. Natural. Just like that.
And now, the word tour. 3 key words from today's episode.
And the 10th phrase is hiding in here somewhere.
It is. Word 1, hesitant. Say it with us. Hesitant. Hesitant.
Hesitant.
It means slow to speak or act because you are not sure, not confident. Example 1, she was hesitant to answer the question. Example 2, his voice was hesitant, but his words were right.
I used to sound hesitant in meetings.
And now?
Now I have 10 phrases.
Instead of saying nervous, try hesitant. Word 2, thoughtful. Say it. Thoughtful. Thoughtful.
Thoughtful.
It means showing careful thought, considering things seriously. Example 1, his answer was very thoughtful. Example 2, she gave a thoughtful pause before speaking.
You seemed thoughtful just now.
I was trying to find phrase number 10. Instead of saying careful about someone's thinking, say thoughtful. And word 3, flowing. Flowing. Flowing.
Flowing.
It means moving smoothly without stopping. For conversation, it means natural, easy, connected. Example 1, the conversation was flowing so well. Example 2, her English just flows. It never stops.
Our conversation today is really flowing.
That is because we have 10 phrases.
Come to think of it, that is phrase number 10.
There it is. Come to think of it was in block 4, but its full power, you just felt it now.
Hidden in plain sight.
So, 10 phrases. Let's say them together one final time.
1. I know what you mean. 2. It depends, really. 3. Come to think of it. 4. Fair enough. 5. To be honest. 6. Funny you should say that. 7. I was just about to say. 8. Actually, I was thinking. 9. Now that you mention it. And 10, and this is the most important one,
The one you use today.
The one you use today. Whichever feels closest to your life right now, use it once.
Just once, in one real conversation, even a small one.
You do not need all 10. You need the one that feels true right now.
Because fluency is not a mountain you climb, it is a door you open, one phrase at a time.
One phrase at a time.
And today, you have 10 keys.
Before we go, your homework. Just one sentence.
Go to the comments. Complete this sentence. The phrase I will use today is because.
One sentence. That is enough. We read every comment.
Every single one.
And if this episode helped you, please share it with one friend learning English. One friend. That is enough.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for trying.
Take care of yourself. Keep learning. Keep flowing.
And we will see you
In the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye.